Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have an unboxing. This is my Christmas gift for this year, and also I'm going to share my collection in this video. You can tell from the boxes from where I got my Christmas gift this year. So yeah, I'm going to unbox the item and also I'm going to share my entire collection in this video. So let's start with the unboxing. I messed up my nail polish. Okay, here is the inside of the box. Wow, look at this, guys. Here is the box. And here is the invoice, and there is a protective thingy on the bottom as well. Oh, oops, I almost dropped it. Okay, so it's like a shoe box. I think someone calling. Just a minute, guys. Okay guys, so I'm back. So here is the presentation inside the box. Okay, so I think all the authenticity certificate and everything is inside. And you open this. So this came out. This is the holder for the these items. Here is a bag, a shopping bag, and here is the item. There is no box, I think, or there is a box. There is a box. Let's unbox together. So let's see it together. Ta 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 ta. These are the earrings I got, which are vintage Alhambra earrings in yellow gold and mother of pearl. I don't know if you guys can see. And here is the back side. So this is how you put it on. You open that thingy in the back, the omega back, and close it. Open, close. So I'm going to try them on and show you guys. So this is how they look like on my ear. So these are my new earrings for Christmas. Now let me show you guys what I have in my collection from Cleef. I love the packaging, by the way. If you want to see the certificate and all those, these are same. Let me see if they are different. I don't think they are any different. Yeah, these are same, guys. So here is the authenticity certificate and the booklet like the other ones, and I got a, I don't know what is this. I got this one, and I got the return thingy, and then I got this. This is for, I think, card. If you want to gift it to someone, you write a personal message. So this is a message card. Yeah, that's it. It comes with every purchase, so nothing special. Okay, so that is it. Yeah, just thank you card for the purchase. It was sticking here in the front. So that's it for the unboxing. Let me show you my collection. So I'll start with this box. It's the same box, and I have the matching pendant for the earrings, and now my collection is complete, kind of, with earring and necklace. In the future I like to have the 10 motif necklace, the same mother of pearl and yellow gold 10 motif necklace. Let me try this on as well if you want to see how it looks. So here is the necklace and the earrings. Next I have, I don't know what I have inside. Oh, these are the earrings I have, which are sweet Alhambra butterfly earrings in mother of pearl and yellow gold. And here is the back side of the earrings. Okay guys, so this is how they look. I wear them all the time because they're not that heavy and not that big. They're kind of everyday pieces. Next I have the matching necklace. So this is how they look together. These are kind of everyday pieces. You can wear them every day, right? Okay, the last item I have comes in this box, and this is my, is it called Pearly or Pearle? P-E-R-L-E-E ring in the smallest size. I mean the beads are the smallest in this ring, and I wear this all the time with my Tiffany T wire ring. I just wear them together like this. Just like this. And if you want to see a close up, let me show you. So this concludes my collection, and like I said, my next purchase will be the 10 motif necklace, which will match my earrings, but I don't see that in near future. Maybe I don't know when, but my next purchase will be the necklace, which will match my earrings. Yeah, so that is it for this unboxing video and this collection video. I hope you liked this video. If you did, please give me a like and please subscribe. Thanks for watching this video, and I'm going to see you guys in my next video. Bye.